Someone just got a bath and they are very, very mad at me. I actually can't make this up. The drama. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today is one of my favorite days. Oh my gosh, what? Ignore the bags on the ground. I went to Trader Joe's and I still need to put those bags away. Okay, today is one of my favorite days of every year as a student at Boise State University. If you didn't know, Boise State is wildly known for their blue football field. Apparently we trademarked it. It's like a huge thing and I personally love watching football games. Like who else gets to say that their football field is blue? So because of that, there's this whole event that happens every single year in the month of April and it's called Yoga on the Blue. I work at the rec center. I'm a bar fitness instructor and because I am a part of the staff, this is the first year where I'm actually volunteering. I think this year over 400 people signed up, so it's gonna be packed. And today I'm gonna help run this whole production, but beforehand, I have to continue the tradition because if you watch my Yoga on the Blue vlog from like freshman year, I got bagels with my girlfriends before I Goldstein's, and we're gonna do it again because I love traditions.
I got, what is this? A sesame bagel. It's been so long, I forgot what I ordered. A sesame bagel with lox cream cheese, and then the other side, honey pistachio, I think. What'd you get?
Apparently, you can do like half bagel with your cream cheese on it. So I got 2 different cream cheeses. I did a pump everything bagel. This one's strawberry cream cheese. Spicy veggie.
Yummy. Yay. Start with the sweet, just in case the spicy stays in your mouth.
That's good. Good cream cheese ratio.
And the sun is back. Oh my god, it's so good.
Petition that she makes a new album.
Facts.
Because it's been so long.
It has been a really long time. What is it, like 2020?
Rate your bagels at Goldstein's today.
Holy moly. So freaking good. I was starving. The lox one, I'll rate it like an 8.5. Honey pistachio one, I'll give it like an 8.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna give my strawberry one a 9.5. That one was absolutely fire.
With the everything bagel too is crazy.
Yeah, with everything. And not everything, not just plain, it was pumpernickel everything. Spicy veggie, I'm gonna give that one a 5. Wasn't really my favorite. My nose was literally
proud of you
watering.
for trying something new.
We are going to walk over to Albertson Stadium and start getting ready. Yoga on the Blue was such a good turnout today. As I was checking people in and like crossing off their names, it was so fun to see regular participants that take my bar fitness class. But yeah, Taurus, the guy who led yoga today, absolutely killed it. The weather was perfect and there was construction going on. I think Boise State is like doing some renovations or adding this new section to the stadium. And the people, like the construction workers, were literally doing the yoga with us on these like crazy high platforms. It was awesome. I think we're all basically in summer mode because that's just kind of what the vibes felt like today, to be honest. We have 2 more weeks left of school. Next week is dead week, and then the last week is obviously finals week. Crazy, I have no clue where time has gone, but I am about to finish junior year and then be a senior, if you guys can believe that. Shower just felt so good, definitely much needed. Tonight I've got a recording session. We're currently working on an album. So many of my friends have called me a crazy woman between my job on social media, doing my internship, and then also being a fitness instructor. But I love being busy and music has always been an outlet for me. I just started this new series on Netflix called Ransom Canyon. My mom put it best. She said it's giving a mix of Virgin River and Yellowstone. The romance in this is insane.
Good morning. It's a beautiful day to go on a hike with some strangers. Oh. Hello. Green tea salicylic toner pads are a game changer. This is a must every single morning because look at this. Clear complexion.
Do you want your farmer's dog? Oh yeah, yeah you do.
When you get a dog, that dog becomes your child. I was always skeptical about kibble because it's not fresh, it's in a bag, and most of the dried pellets that they give you are pretty much burnt. So about 3 to 4 months ago, I switched Matcha over to Farmer's Dog, and I actually made that switch and documented it on my YouTube channel. So you can go back on my channel and actually watch that live switch. During the first week of me using it, I think I literally said out loud, Farmer's Dog, if y'all ever want to work together, let's do it. So this is pretty awesome because today's video is actually sponsored by Farmer's Dog. It was incredibly easy to go on their website and sign up. As you can see, Matcha's name is on here. A fourth of this pack will last Matcha 1 day. Another thing that I absolutely love is that they don't outsource their customer service. So 24/7 access to customer service. If you need to stop your shipments, you need to schedule it for another day, or if you just have a question in general. I've never seen Matcha get so excited about food since I switched him to Farmer's Dog, and I'm gonna give you guys an example right now. So with that being said, you can get 50% off of your first box of freshly made, healthy dog food when you click the link in my description. That also includes free shipping and access to 24/7 customer service. Once you make the switch, I promise you, you're never gonna go back. I know that Matcha could eat Farmer's Dog for the rest of his life and be satisfied. My equivalent would be sourdough toast, jelly, and then obviously an egg on top. You guys know this is my favorite thing in the whole entire world. Probably 2 or 3 times a week, I get tagged in y'all's Instagram stories of you trying it out and being like, I get it, I see what you mean. So good. It is true, we're going on a hike today, like I mentioned earlier, with strangers. Back when I started junior year of college, which was August of 2024, I made a promise to myself that I wanted to do things that were out of my comfort zone. So I already did one of them, which was learned how to ski, and I went with a random group of people. I just signed up for this program through the rec center, and then I went up to Bogus Basin, learned how to ski. It's really cool because I didn't have anyone to hold my hand. And similarly, I guess back in August, I signed up for this hike, which is literally today. I think it's from 9 to 3. We're doing a hike called Jump Creek Falls. There's a waterfall there, so they said bring a swimsuit. And like I said, I don't know anybody going on it, so hopefully we'll leave today with a new friend. This is your sign. Sign up for the things on campus that you probably would not usually sign up for. Tomorrow I've got a presentation in my supply chain management class, and then before midnight tonight I have some finance homework and quizzes that I need to do. So I'll probably take it easy once I get back from the hike. Probably do my homework and then take him on a WALK. If I say that, he's gonna sprout up and run towards the door. I can't believe there's 3 days left of April. What? This is insane. It is so true when people say that as you get older, time just flies by way quicker, because I felt like it was New Year's yesterday, and now we're about to be in the 5th month of 2025. I need time to slow down. I have to show you the cutest sweater on my rack right now. This is one of the birthday gifts that Alana, one of my best friends from Texas, got for me. And look at how cute it is. It says CM embroidered, which is my initials. I wish y'all could feel how soft this little sweater is through the screen. It's the most perfect thing I've ever seen. I think there's like a 50% chance of rain, so I definitely want to be prepared and bring a rain jacket. Let's go with this Patagonia one. Other than that, I think I'm all good. I have my hiking backpack on. This is also the one that I bring to every single music festival, and it's just amazing. Cannot forget my EpiPen. I'm so excited, and honestly I probably wouldn't have done this hike by myself because it's a little bit of a drive away, and usually as a girl I like to go hiking with someone else. So this will be good because if the hike ends up going well, then I can just take my friends on it and actually know where to go, where the waterfall is, whatnot. I'm gonna head to the rec center right now and then meet everybody else.
Long time, but I remember it well, just like the photo we keep on the shelf. Oh, we were young.
I've been back at home for a little bit. I did some finance homework and now I'm gonna be putting the cushions back on all of the furniture outside. There's this saying where it's like April showers, so May flowers or something like that. And we're pretty much at the end of April, which means I can finally put out my cushions again without worrying about it getting super rainy or just blowing away. I'm so tired. All right, I have to write my bar workout because I'm teaching on Monday. No, not Monday, Tuesday, and then Friday, and then Sunday. And then next week, I'm teaching Tuesday and then Wednesday. Basically, I'm teaching 7 classes and I decided to like jam pack my next 2 weeks. So I need to go and write my workouts because I'm just, I don't know. I can't do the workout unless I actually have it written days prior. I need to put on some gym clothes and get some motivation right now and go to the gym. Even though I really don't want to. I don't want to much, I don't want to. One thing about me though is that if I feel cute, then I can perform well, and that's just gonna be my motivation today. So today's little workout set is this blue top off the shoulder on one side, and then these like baby blue matching workout shorts. I hope I don't fall asleep during my workout. Okay, let's go change. Workout fit is on. I slid these Aritzia sweats over. Fun fact, these Aritzia pants have a really funny story attached to it. Whenever I went to New Zealand, obviously that was a wickedly long flight there and back. I think my total travel day was 22 hours. And on the flight from New Zealand back to LA, I was with Alana. And obviously, like when you get back into the US, you have to go into customs. And I was wearing these exact sweatpants. And mind you, in New Zealand, they have some of the best chocolate ever, specifically from the brand Whitaker's. So I bought a bunch of chocolate bars and was just eating them on the plane. Like, I finished a whole chocolate bar on the plane because it was that good. And so whenever I was walking into customs, I had my luggage, I was walking in front of Alana, and she looked at me and was like, girl, did you crap yourself on the plane? And I was like, what? No. And I looked behind at my bum and there was literally chocolate all over my butt. And it's because I couldn't say no to my sweet tooth. I had to go to Target and buy a bottle of Shout and spray these Aritzia sweats to just hope that it came out. And then that with detergent, obviously, it did come out. But I just think it's so funny. Every time I wear these sweatpants, I will never forget the reaction that I had and Alana's reaction when she was like, dude, what is on your butt? So anyways, I'm gonna reapply deodorant before I forget, because no stinky girls over here. I'm also just gonna leave my hair like this and then probably put on my Beats headphones. Tomorrow when I give my presentation for supply chain management, I kind of want my hair to be like mermaid curls. Guys, there's a lot of things in the world that make me laugh, but nothing makes me cackle the most than turning on my car and it going straight to whatever's playing on the radio country station. I kid you not, whatever song was just on. I love impersonating country music because it's so good, but it's also so freaking predictable. I feel like to non-avid country listeners, this is what every song sounds like.
I met this country girl. She had blonde hair and blue eyes and a wild smile, and she had her feet on the dashboard. I had a Coors Light open in the cup holder. We went fishing. She caught a bass with me. I'm so in love in this truck, and we're gonna watch the stars. Crack another cold one. And I can't forget the Lord who gave me all. Thank you, God.
That's my impression of what people who don't like country music probably think of. Let me know how well I did.
until yesterday. You were a memory in a bottle, washed away before I went away to college. I safely stored you away, so why not try